Are you endlessly scrolling through your Serum presets to find the perfect sound? In this Ableton 11 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn any Serum presets into a hypnotic techno lead that commands attention. You'll discover how to create a sense of movement and complexity with both native instruments Replika and Ableton's delay, refine your sound by cutting unwanted frequencies with EQ8, seamlessly blend your lead with sidechain compression, and resolve volume inconsistencies with a final compressor. If you're facing other music production hurdles, comment below with the topics you want me to explore in upcoming videos. Now, listen to how a simple Serum preset transforms into an intense hypnotic techno lead. And this all starts from the MIDI clip. So create a 4-bar MIDI clip and write a 16th note on the first quarter of a beat. Duplicate that note every 2 beats. Duplicate that last one and offset it by 3/4 of a beat. The delay overlapping with notes will result in a louder sound, but you can fix that with compression later. Now select a Serum preset you like and hit play. that's a wrap. If this Serum Ableton 11 tutorial lit up your creative spark, smash that like button and hit subscribe to join our community. For more in-depth tutorials on mastering your mix, click on one of the videos popping up right here.